Hello, everyone. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back again to SimpleSpeak English. We are truly happy you are here with us today. Thank you for giving us your time, your attention, and your trust. We really appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to SimpleSpeak English. It feels really nice to be here with you again. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you are doing right now, we are happy you are listening.
Yes, and as always, please remember, you don't need perfect English. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to worry about mistakes. This is a calm place, a friendly place, a place to learn slowly.
Exactly. We speak slowly, we think slowly, and we learn together.
Lily, before we move into today's topic, let's do a little small talk, just like real friends do.
I like that. Small talk is very important.
Yes, because small talk helps people feel comfortable.
So, Mark, how was your day today?
My day was simple, and I really like simple days. I woke up early, I had a warm cup of coffee, I looked outside the window, and I felt calm.
That sounds really peaceful.
Yes, it made me think about family, actually.
Really? Why?
Because those quiet moments remind me of mornings with my family, sitting together, not talking much, just feeling close.
That is very nice and very emotional.
Yes, family memories often come in quiet moments.
I feel the same way. Sometimes when I drink tea in the morning, I remember my family, their voices, their smiles.
That feeling is very universal.
Yes, and that is why today's topic is so important.
Exactly. Today we are talking about how to talk about family in English.
This is one of the most common conversations in real life.
When you meet someone new, they often want to know about your family.
They might ask simple questions.
Like, do you have a family?
Or, how many people are in your family?
Or, where does your family live?
These questions can feel scary for beginners.
Yes, because family is personal, and English feels difficult.
But today, we want to show you that it can be easy and natural.
And very human.
Exactly.
Let's start with the most basic idea, how to begin talking about family.
The beginning is very important.
The easiest way is to start with size.
Big family or small family?
For example, you can say, I come from a big family.
Or, I come from a small family.
Let's say it slowly.
Okay.
I come from a small family.
Very clear.
Then you can pause.
Pauses are okay.
Yes, pauses are natural.
Then you can continue.
You can say, I have a mother and a father.
Simple and clear.
And then add more if you want.
Like brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Let's make a longer example.
Okay.
I come from a small family. I have a mother and a father. I also have one sister. We are very close.
That sounds perfect.
Beginners can use this easily.
Yes. And now let me share my own example.
Please do.
I come from a medium-sized family. I have my parents, one brother, and one sister. We talk often, and we support each other.
That sounds very natural.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about parents, because parents are often the center of family conversations.
Yes, many people like to talk about their parents.
You can say, my mother is, or my father is, and then describe them.
You don't need difficult words.
Simple words are better.
Like kind, caring, quiet, strong, funny.
Let me give an example.
Okay?
My mother is very kind and caring. She always listens to me.
That is very warm.
And very easy.
Let me add one.
Go ahead.
My father is calm and hardworking. He doesn't talk a lot, but he always helps us.
That sounds very real.
Because it is.
When people hear these sentences, they feel connected.
Yes, because feelings are universal.
Now, let's talk about brothers and sisters.
Siblings are a big part of family.
You can say, I have a brother, or I have two sisters.
And then describe your relationship.
Like close, friendly, or even different.
Yes, different is okay too.
Let me give an honest example.
Please.
I have one brother. We are very different, but we care about each other.
That is very natural.
Family does not need to be perfect.
Exactly.
Let me add another sentence.
Okay.
We don't always agree, but we always support each other.
That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, many people feel that way.
Now let's talk about family life. What families do together.
This is a great topic for conversation.
You can talk about meals
Or weekends.
or holidays,
For example, you can say, we eat dinner together.
or we spend time together on weekends.
Let me make it longer.
Go ahead.
My family likes to spend time together. We eat dinner together on weekends. We talk about our week and laugh together.
That sounds very friendly.
Thank you.
Let me add my own.
Okay.
On weekends, my family likes to relax together. Sometimes we watch movies, sometimes we just talk.
Very natural English.
Now let's talk about distance, because many families live far apart.
Yes, that is very common.
You can say, my family lives far away,
And then say how you stay close.
like phone calls or messages.
Let me give an example.
Okay,
My family lives far away, but we talk on the phone often. Even though we are far, I feel close to them.
that sentence is very emotional.
Yes, and very real.
When I first lived away from my family, I used simple sentences like that.
How did it feel?
It felt sad sometimes, but also warm because we stayed connected.
That is a beautiful feeling.
English helped me share that feeling.
That is very important for learners to hear.
Yes,
Now let's talk about children.
yes, many people ask about children.
The question is often very simple,
Do you have children?
and your answer can be simple too.
Yes, I have children. Or, no, I don't have children.
And you can add one more sentence if you want.
For example, I have 2 children, and they are very important to me.
Or, I don't have children, but I want to have a family one day.
These sentences sound very natural.
And very honest.
Now let's talk about family traditions.
I love this topic.
Me too.
You can say, in my family, we have a tradition.
And then explain.
For example, in my family, we eat dinner together on holidays.
Let me say one.
Okay.
In my family, we have a tradition of eating together on special days. We cook food and enjoy our time.
That sounds very warm.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about feelings, because family brings many feelings.
Yes, happiness, love, sometimes sadness,
You can talk about feelings with simple words.
like happy, grateful, thankful.
Let me give an example.
Please.
I feel very grateful for my family. They support me and make me feel safe.
That is a very strong sentence.
And very simple.
As we slowly move toward the end, I want to say something important.
Yes.
Talking about family in English is not about being perfect.
It is about being real.
Use the words you know.
Speak slowly.
Pause when you need.
Think when you need.
That is how real conversations work.
Family is one of the best topics to practice English.
Because you already know the story.
You just need the words.
And you already have many of them.
We hope this long conversation helped you feel more comfortable.
Yes, we hope you feel calmer and more confident now.
Try to talk about your family today.
Even just a little.
Even just one sentence.
You are doing great.
Thank you so much for learning with us on SimpleSpeak English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it.
And please subscribe to SimpleSpeak English for more slow, real, friendly English conversations.
We are very happy to have you here.
Take care of yourself and your family.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!